Morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome to Profitable Futures Trading, a Thanksgiving Masterclass. We are going to cover good material on futures trading. Both who are experienced and not so experienced would definitely benefit from it. Before I proceed, I want to share this disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. Individual performances vary. So each person's risk appetite defines their results. So this webinar is about Sliver Bullet trading system. We believe it could be path to your financial freedom, and we'll show you how. I'm Rao K, a founder of Sliver Trades and the architect of Sliver Bullet trading system. We are a company based in Chicago, Illinois. This presentation is going to have a few parts. The first part is the education. We'll discuss the business model that this Sliver Bullet trading system follows. The second part would be the demo of the software, Sliver Bullet Pro software, which can help take trades automatically, manage trades automatically. And the third part is the special offer today on the occasion of Thanksgiving, which is going to be available to those who attend this webinar. So stay tuned, grab a beverage and pen and paper to take notes, because I'll be sharing some useful information. To start with, let's understand our human needs first, because any system, whether trading system or any business, we create to serve a purpose. At personal level, that purpose could be, freedom. Mostly people want to be free. They want to be able to do things on their own, that they take this journey of starting a business. So in this webinar, we'll be focusing mainly on financial freedom. There could be other aspects of freedom, but the focus will be on financial freedom only. And first, I want to define financial freedom. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom, I would like to define as the desire for making decisions without financial constraints, which means we want to have freedom to travel, own a home, pursue our passions. And I believe trading could help achieve financial freedom in a big way. And that financial freedom is exemplified by this picture on the left-hand side, wherein a person is lying down on a beach, sunny beach somewhere in the world, and holding a laptop. So most likely he's trading on his laptop. He has good internet connectivity, and that's perhaps his passion, because he's in a sunny beach and doing something. So he's away from home, or I guess he owns a home. He's a traveler, and he's pursuing his passion. So I think it's possible that he has achieved this kind of lifestyle because of the financial results he's getting from trading. That's just an example. But before proceeding, I would like to define trading as a business first. Any business, whether you are selling burgers, or you have a taco truck, or a lawn mowing company, it doesn't matter. It has to have two components. definitely has two components. One is cost component and one is income component. So trading also, we need to look at it from a business point of view, not as a gambling point of view. So if you look at it from business point of view, trading also has costs and income components. Now, among cost components, the least you need is a computer, a good computer. And I have listed a price for it. You can use your existing computer, laptop, whatever you have, but the associated cost should be considered a business cost. So I have listed the cost of that business. And then that cost could be, $1,500. Then you have internet cost. A computer needs to have internet. A good internet would cost you anywhere from $60 to $100. I have taken a midpoint number. And for trading, here we are talking about day trading. You need a good data feed. I have taken a cost of $50 per month for the data feed. The different data feeds cost anywhere from $10, $12 to $90. So I have taken a midpoint number for that. And then the trading platform. The trading platform would cost you about $1,000 one time, or subscription of $75 per month, depending on the provider. The provider that we use offers platform for a lifetime use for $1,000. So I have taken that as the platform cost. Now, trading funds, one needs funds to be able to trade. And if you want to trade stocks, your brokerage would want the funds to be $25,000 before you can transact in stocks. So that's not enough, but that's the minimum. So I have taken the minimum funds that's required to be able to do stocks trading. And then trading education, this is an important cost component, because without proper trading education, you will only be gambling. You will not be running it as a business. And this education is not provided in schools or colleges. You have to join some private institution, and these institutions charge you for this trading education anywhere from $12,000, $10,000 to $50,000. In fact, in our experience, we have seen the minimum cost to be $12,000. So for that reason, I have taken this cost component. If without the education, you could still learn how to trade, but because market will teach you, and market will teach you after it has taken money from you. People lose money, spend years of time before getting anywhere and understand how trading works. Now, one of the other components is the trade automation software. So this automation software could cost you anywhere from $500 to $10,000, depending on the features and the bells and whistles. So I have taken that cost as well for this. And for income component, I have considered a very nominal fee of $50 per day. Nominal income of $50 per day, trading 1 hour. This is smallest amount I could consider, taking into consideration several things. $50 could be a minimum, income, hourly income one would desire to be able to make in a year. In an hour. So in a year, there are 2,000 hours, working hours. The 2,000 times 50 would be $100,000. So if average household income in the United States is not even $100,000. So if you can earn $100,000, it means that you have a good job. So I've taken that as a benchmark, and our business model is such that you should be able to spend only an hour in a day and be able to generate the income that you want. If you have to spend more than an hour or two, maybe, it's another job. And if it's another job, it's not financial freedom. So we have put our constraint on our business model, that how can we generate a, a living by trading only 1 hour? And considering $100,000 income per year, the hourly income has to be $50 at least. You know, we cannot go any lower than this. So with that $50 per hour per day, we want to compare this kind of income with the cost that we have listed here, and then see if it makes a business sense. So in the next slide, I added up all the cost components, and I have taken range. So the cost would be anywhere from $40,000 to $50,000, and the income potential is $50 per day, which means if you trade 20 days a month, it will be 20 times 50, which is $1,000 per month. So now let's look at this number. Now this $1,000 per month, this means $12,000 per year. Now the cost component is $50,000. Income potential is $12,000 per year. Now let's compare these two numbers and see if how good these numbers are. So we see that this $12,000 is 25% of 50K. And if you keep 50K in a CD, how much would you get? You would get 5 to 6% per year. And here, the return is 25%. So it's already a good business model. If you put this 50K in a stock market, on an average, the stock market returns are like 8 to 10%. So this return of 25% beats even the stock market returns. So even at this unreasonably low level, this income of $12,000 per year, is attractive. Now, but it's still not a business. With $12,000 per year, one cannot have a living. One cannot even sustain, unless they are on food stamps or something like that. So my goal in this presentation would be to show you how we can reduce this cost by 1/10, which is only 5K, and multiply this income 10 times, meaning 10,000 per month. If it's possible for us to reduce the cost component to 5,000 and increase the income potential to $10,000, then it makes a business sense. So one time 5,000, every month $10,000. If it is possible, then that could lead one to financial freedom. And in this presentation, we will see how to achieve that and if it's possible. So let's continue. So let's explore the possibilities of trading. To learn to trade, you have to put in time and financial investment, because trading requires a skill, and trading is complex. There are no guarantees in trading, and people make mistakes, especially new people, when they start their trading journey. And these are common mistakes, and these are costly trading mistakes as well. So to avoid these costly trading mistakes, one has to have a high probability trading strategy. Um, and they need to automate the trading process. Uh, so trade high probability trading strategies only, and as much as possible automate the trading process, like trade entry, trade management, risk management. All those things should be automated. And very important thing is trade with other people's money. So if you use your own money, most of the time, especially when you are new, you lose the money, you blow up account after account. And because while in a trade, uh, any losing result or profitable result will emotionally pull you to make incorrect decisions. You are so attached to the outcome of what's going on in the screen that you book profit too early or do not cut your losses. So it's important that you trade with other people's money, and when you do that, you are emotionally detached to the outcome, and that's the best state to be in while trading. One has to have certain amount of detachment. So that's and that detachment happens only if you don't risk your own money. So that's why we recommend trading with other people's money. And trading should be done during the right market hours. The market hours are like 8:30 to 3 p.m. Central for stock market, and that's the best time to that's the time the stock market is open. But those who have a day job won't be able to do trading, as particularly day trading. So what's the solution for them? So for them, we have futures as the solution. Futures market is open 23 hours a day and 5.5 days a week. So it gives plenty of windows in a day for a person in any profession to be able to trade. Another important feature of futures is that um, its contracts are customizable. They come in different um, sizes. There is a lot of liquidity, a lot of market participants in futures market, and with futures you can control large position. Just with a small number of contracts, you can control large positions, which means commissions are also are reasonable. And then futures are diversified across markets and asset classes. So you can trade a variety of instruments. To give you some example, here ES is future symbol for S&P, NQ is future symbol for Nasdaq, RTY for Russell, YM for Dow, CL for oil, GC for gold. And these are mini futures. Similarly, there are micros as well, which are 1/10 the size of minis, and they come in the form of MES, MNQ, M2K, MYM, MCL, MGC. So that's all you need to know. Beyond that, you do not need to understand the mechanics of futures. And now, how do you get started with your journey? You can get started by opening a futures trading account with a brokerage. Our recommended brokerage is NinjaTrader, and you access Sliver Bullet Pro, our software, automated trading software, on NinjaTrader platform, and you practice strategies mentioned in Sliver Trades Academy to learn how to trade profitably. So here is a 6-step path to trading success, which we call Sliver Bullet Trading System. So first step, which I already covered, you install Sliver Bullet Trading software on the recommended trading platform. And second, you practice with automated strategies on a simulated account. And then third is you sign up for a funded trading evaluation account. So here you use other people's money. But before other people give you money, they want to make sure that um, you have the skill to be able to trade profitably. And to prove that, you have to pass an evaluation. And for evaluation, you take like a 50K account. And in that 50K account, if you reach the target of $3,000 without losing $2,500, you are eligible for um, uh, trading on their real account. And to pass the evaluation, you use automated trading, and that helps you, speeds up passing the evaluation. And once you have passed the evaluation, you have to upgrade the account to a paid trading account by paying a one-time fee. This evaluation account, you pay only a monthly subscription, a nominal fee. And here, to upgrade from past evaluation account to paid trading account, you pay a one-time fee of about $150. Once you have obtained a paid trading account, you have to build in that account what I call as loss buffer, which is $3,000 of or $2,500 of loss buffer you have to build. Once you have built that loss buffer, any income above 2,500 is yours to keep. You will, of course, you have to give a 10% cut to the funding provider. That's their income. So, but you get to keep 90% of it. And once you have a paid trading account, you rinse and repeat step 3, 4, and 5, and obtain another trading account, and then another account, then another account. That way, you build a portfolio of funded accounts. It's like building a real estate empire. After one property, you acquire another property, and then another property. Like that, you build a portfolio of funded accounts, and in that portfolio of funded accounts, you can trade parallelly and multiply your income. Now, let's talk about Sliver Bullet trading system. The software that comes with this trading system, Sliver Bullet Pro, can help you take trades in trending market, reversing market, sideways market. It has automated scale in and scale out feature. You can monitor performance real time. We also provide you assistance in trading, in getting in funding accounts. You can use other people's money, and we provide you training and live demos. So here, very important part of the presentation, but I would like you all to go to one of the previous presentations and watch it. The market conditions and market DNA, these are important slides, which I'm going to skip because there are many other videos on our channel. You can look at last Saturday's webinar and you get a detailed understanding of this. But I'm going to skip that, and I'm going to jump right into the next part, which is demo. So part number 2 is the demo of the software. Here, I would like to come to a chart, futures trading chart. This is on NinjaTrader platform. We are going to trade gold, and I'm going to use yesterday's data to trade at the market open. So we'll be trading gold as of yesterday's data, 8:30 market opens, 8:30 Central. I've set the timer to that, and I'm going to load the software Sliver Bullet Pro here. So this is Sliver Bullet Pro, and I entered the loss parameters and income parameters. So loss parameter is $2,500 and a profit target is $2,000. And I'm going to trade here. Normally I trade with 2 contracts, and this is the user interface of the software. And I turned this scale in button on, aggressive button on, and I want to see where the market has opened. It's been 2 seconds since the market has opened, and market has opened here. The price is here, and previous day's close was here. The market has significantly jumped at the open compared to yesterday's close. It means I expect the market to be a trending market today. So I'm going to turn this timer on and try to see, you know, market direction, just to confirm that it's not falling drastically. And I'm assured, and it's I'm going to take a long trade because market has opened higher, and I'm going to increase the speed just to make sure that yeah, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, it's I'm going to take trend trades because I expect the market to trend higher. So first trade gave us only $92. These are the trades that are being taken.
Order filled.
And here you see $92 from the first trade, and now multiple trades have been taken here.
Target filled. Order filled.
It's continuously taking trades because market is pushing up, and I'm using trend trade strategy. So it will stop automatically once the profit target reached is $2,000. So I'm going to pause it here just to set the context some more. So here, with two ATMs, I am taking trades. These are ATM buttons, which are basically risk management settings. ATM 1 takes trade with 1 contract, 2 with 2 contracts, 3 with 3 contracts. So I normally use 2 contracts, particularly in the demo. And these are different strategy buttons here. These are, you can, for different market conditions, you use different strategies. Since it's uptrending market, I have used the trend trade strategy, and I'm taking only long trades, and I've turned the scale-in button on so that additional contracts can be placed, for better profit or to average out of a losing trade. And aggressive button is just more number of trades. So we already had 8 trades and made $1,400. So once we reach $2,000, which I have set as a parameter in the software, the trading will stop. And you see, market opened at 8:30, and it's barely 15 minutes, and we are close to $1,500. So it's all automatic. So let me show you again here. Oops, something is stuck here. Okay, something went too fast. So here there was some loss as well. So here $389 of loss, and this P&L came down from $1,400 to $1,000. So, okay, so now we recovered the loss. So how it happened? It happened because it automatically placed additional contracts when the market came down, and got out of a losing trade, at a break even. So even though it made a loss of $389 in the first trade, it made up for that loss in second and third trade that it placed. So $210 you see in each of these trades. So that made up for this loss, and that's why we are back to $1,600 now. In fact, little higher, little profitable than the previous trade closure. So that's how the software keeps you safe. All right, we are very close, $1,800. This is another break-even trade. So not a whole lot of profit here. 1935, very close. So at this point, I usually stop trading because just for $65 more, I don't want to risk. So, but since it's a demo, I'm going to push my luck further.
Target filled. Target filled.
So here you go. You see this message: total profit target reached. So it has made $200, $2,000, actually 2,200
Target
to be
filled.
precise. Trade buttons got disabled. One trade is still open. I can decide to close it just by pressing stop
Order
button,
filled.
and the trade is closed. And it won't take any more trades because the session target has been reached. So 20 it and we made $2,600, and it's 9:10 now. So in 40 minutes, the software helped us make $2,600. Now, uh, is it fluke? If you go back to my previous webinars, every webinar I have used Friday's data, Friday's market data at the open, and 8:30 I started and demonstrated how the software made $2,000. Now, is it fluke? Can we repeat it? Let's see. So I'm going to refresh this, and I will run it again. So this time, what I'm going to do is, instead of taking long trades only, I will take trades on both sides, long, short, both. I won't even care what direction the market is. I clearly see that market is going up. It's uptrending market, but even in uptrending market, I will try to short, and I will use a different strategy: super scalper, scale in, and aggressive are on. And let's see if it gives me any decent profit.
Order filled.
So again, a trade got placed here.
Target filled.
I'm going to increase the speed. So after around 9:30, the market slows down. So the number of trades we get is fewer and fewer. So I may or may not reach $2,000, but let's see if I can show you some decent profit. It's already $800 of profit. So here it has taken short trade as well. So it's a short trade. In uptrending market, we are going against that trend, and that's a risky trade. So let's see if we make profit or if we lose money here. So this is why it's education part is important. You cannot use this software blindly, even though we have made this software so robust that even if you make mistake, you can, perhaps it will take you out of the losing position, like how it did just now. It took short trade in a rising market, went against the trend, and it took us out for almost break even. In fact, we made $50 of profit in this cycle of 3 trades. First trade was a losing trade because the market went against us, but the second and third trade salvaged the first loss in the first trade. So this is how it keeps us safe. But we need to have some trading knowledge so that we don't go against the trend. This kind of going both long and short is not recommended. That's not the right way of trading. But just to show you a demo of this software and its capabilities, I'm taking this trade randomly without discretion. So now it's a 10 o'clock, and we usually stop trading at 10 o'clock, 10 central. 8:30 to 10 is the best trading hour, and it's 10:30. And even though market is pushing up, we might get some more profit. 10 o'clock is the time we try to stop. and here we made $1,100. So in the previous cycle, we made about $2,600. Here, $1,100. So about $3,800 the software helped us make. But let's be conservative. In the beginning of this webinar, I said trading should be seen as a business, and business means you have to be conservative. You want to be focusing on consistency, not a windfall. So let's look at this number, $1,176. All right. And I'm going to ignore even the previous $2,000. I'm going to take smaller number, 11,076. Now, going back to the presentation. Okay. Going back to the presentation. So 11,076, and if we can make 11,176 using the software, we can easily make $50 per day trading 1 hour. At least we can convince ourselves that the assumption that we made in the beginning of the presentation, that let's see if we can make $50 per day trading just 1 hour. This is proven correct because we made $1,176. I'm even ignoring the $2,000. So we can not even 50 per day. We can assume that we can make $100 per day easily. So even at $50 per day trading 1 hour, our income potential is $1,000 per month, because as I mentioned, there are 20 days in a month. 20 days in a month, so 20 times 50 is $1,000. Now, though that's not a great income, but let's see how these numbers stack up. So if we increase that 50 to 100 per day, this number becomes $2,000. 2K per month, right? 2K per month. Now, as I mentioned, that's just with one account. And over a period of time, you can build a portfolio of account. Say you build a portfolio of 10 accounts, 10 funded accounts from our funded provider, and you trade parallelly. This becomes $20,000 per month, or 200 or 240K per month. So let me show you this math in more detail. So especially those who joined late, to make them understand, this $50 per account is 1K per month. 1K per month. And if you build a portfolio of 10 funded accounts by passing 10 evaluations, which will not happen overnight, but over a period of a year or year and a half, slowly you make $10,000 per month just by generating income of $50 per day per account. And I just shown you with the demo that the software in the latest session made $1,176. So with that, you should be able to convince, you can get convinced that $50 or even $100 can be made easily, because we just saw. And that's why I'm not taking this $11,076 as the benchmark. I'm taking only a small amount. Just one trade you need. Just take one trade, make $100, trade across 10 accounts simultaneously, and that becomes 20,000 actually. This math is based on $50 per day. If you make $100 per day, this becomes 20,000 per month. Per month, because there are 20 days in a month. So this $20,000 per month is $240,000 per year, and all that with the one-time investment of $5,000. So I will come to this cost part, how a one-time investment of $5,000 can lead you to living a comfortable living, in fact financial freedom, and help you achieve the amount that I'm talking about. Now, sky is the limit. This I have taken very small number, $50, $100, just to make a point. As you become more proficient, you can increase this number. But keep in mind, the goal here is to be consistent. Make a small amount every day consistently, instead of making $1,000 one day and losing $1,000 another day. So that's then you have set trading as a business. Let me go to the next slide now. So how you achieve it? So this is the example of how we trade. Target only a small amount per account, and we have multiple accounts here, and these numbers are sorted in sorted numbers. So ignore these big numbers and ignore these small numbers. Just take the median number. Okay, so these numbers you take, and if you make $100 across all these accounts, there are 14 accounts, it means $1,400 per day. And with this kind of aim, you can make consistent income. You'll start with one funded account, then add one more to it, then add one more to it, one more to it. Like that, you can build a portfolio of accounts. And then next slide, we traded fewer accounts because sometimes market is not conducive. It's not going in the direction that you want. You take fewer trades, or trade fewer accounts, and target only a small amount, maybe $50, and that's fine too. And here you still make $300-400 trading a small number of accounts. So it's all about risk management and staying focused. Take high probability trades, make a small income consistently across multiple accounts. Now, so how this software Sliver Bullet Pro helps? The demo of the software that I gave you, that serves the purpose of training wheels in a bicycle, or guide rails in a bowling alley. So it helps you stay in your lane without falling. You can still mess up with the software if you don't use it right, and that's where the training kicks in. We give you training about the market structure, market conditions, what strategy of the software to use in what kind of market condition. We give you the training, we give you cheat sheet, recordings, everything, practice opportunity. And even if things go wrong, you have funded accounts. You don't have your own account. So you don't lose your own money, you lose somebody else's money. But of course, your goal is to make profit so you can draw income from those accounts. So that's the purpose. And then when you pass the evaluation of the funded accounts, you get certificate like this that you have passed. It's a nice recognition that you have been disciplined in your trading. You were disciplined in your trading, and you can achieve. You have achieved certain level of mastery. So these certificates are a good recognition. So these are all the certificates that we have received for passing different evaluation accounts. These are all real certificates, not repeats or copy. All have different dates. since last 1 year, we have been collecting all these certificates for ourselves as we pass the evaluation and move to the funded stage. And these are another set of certificates. These are another. This is just to point out that this works. So trading works. So here, these two are the certificates, like this month in November. This in November 20th, 2024. You see, it was 3 days ago we received. So these are all the certificates last 1 year. So after you pass an evaluation, you upgrade the account by paying a one-time fee of $150 and get the funded account. Now the decision time. Now you have to ask yourself, is this system right for you? If you are looking for a gambling machine, sorry, this is not a gambling machine. This is a proper business model. If someone is looking for a get-rich overnight scheme, it is not get-rich overnight scheme. And so let's see whether it's the right system for you or not. So if you have a safe job for life, you don't need Sliver Bullet trading system because you have safe job for life. Or if you have a source of huge passive income, then also you don't need this, because without even spending an hour a day, you can you are able to live a good life using your passive income. Or if you are happy with your current financial situation and your future, you don't need it, because happiness is a state of mind. Money helps, but money is not everything. If you're happy, you're content, you don't need this additional system in your life. But you definitely need Sliver Bullet trading system if you want to control your financial future by spending only 60 to 90 minutes a day. Because if you have to spend more than that, it means you are doing another job, and that's not financial freedom. So if that's your choice, if you think that you want to go for it, you still have these options. So you can still drop it. You can choose other profession or something else, some other way to make money. So you can drop it, or you can delay it, believing that you'll decide later. But since if you are in this webinar, it means you have already delayed knowledge of financial markets or trading. You haven't been profitable because these skills are not taught in schools and colleges. So delaying any further will only delay your financial independence. So you have to keep that in mind. And then another option is you can figure it out yourself. A lot of people have figured it out themselves, but they have figured out after spending thousands of dollars in different education hours, thousands of hours of time watching the market and blowing their accounts after accounts. People have lost tens of thousands of dollars figuring it out themselves. We have spent years and years, gambled away our money before figuring all this out. And just the development of software took us 3.5 years before we released it last year in November. So exactly a year ago, we released this software, and we are in the second version of it. Third version of the software will come out soon. Or you can opt for some other trading program. There are many trading programs in the market, but we haven't seen a single program that offers three things: education, automated software, and funding accounts. We provide all three, and that too at a price that's unbeatable. We don't see that in the market. So all three in one place with proper training. You will not be handed over a video recording to watch. You'll be joining the classroom sessions, online sessions, to learn trading and applying the automated trading software to market conditions. So the best option, the last option, is to go for Sliver Bullet trading system. If that's the choice you make, then Here is the retail price before discount, before special discounts of Thanksgiving. The retail price is $6,000 for the Pro version and $4,000 for the Lite version. Lite version allows you to trade only one strategy, but Pro version gives you 4 strategies. In fact, there are 6 strategies now. We have added more strategies over last 1 year. You receive a handbook and 2 months of training session and support. But we offer discounts, so 30% discount on Sliver Bullet Pro, so which brings down the cost to $4,200, and you get access to Sliver Trades Academy and weekly group training and session and support. And you also get Sliver lining offer, which I'll talk to you about shortly. But before that, I would like to show you how to avail this program. So for that, you go to slivertrades.com, go to pricing section, and you choose Sliver Bullet Pro because this is the best deal, and you apply the discount launch 30. Did I show the discount code here? I'm going to show you the discount code shortly. Yeah, I think in the previous slide I had shown. No, okay. So yeah, this is the discount code launch 30. You will apply here after adding this to the cart. And before that, you should look at the agreement, because this the software is for lifetime license for one computer. So good to read this agreement and then add this to cart, and then go to checkout. You do not have to sign up. You can just check out as a guest, and here you will see place to add discount. You enter the code launch 30 and you will get a 30% discount, and it will be available for $4,200. Now those who let me talk about the Sliver lining offer. The Sliver lining offer gives you additional stuff. It will give you a free 50K evaluation account. So we basically pay the first month's subscription to your account, to the first account, which gives you a $2,500 of drawdown. And if you make a profit of $3,000 in that account, you'll be eligible to convert the account to a paid trading account. For that, you have to pay a one-time fee of $150, and you'll be able to convert it into a paid trading account. And special offer is we are developing Bitcoin trading strategy. We will give you a free Bitcoin trading strategy if you sign up by tomorrow, because this after this month, this deal is going to go away. We have been promoting this free Bitcoin trading strategy for last 3-4 months, but we are about to launch now. So once launched, this free strategy will be gone, will not be part of this deal. And if you have followed the market, you have seen how the Bitcoin has been rising. In last 1 year, it has doubled, and people say that only sky's the limit as to where it will go. So it's important that we know this Bitcoin trading strategy as well, which is different from trading futures using the software. So we'll give it to you for free. And so this is the Sliver lining offer, valid till tomorrow. And I have shown you how to start your journey. You go to slivertrades.com and use the coupon launch 30. Now, only for those who are attending this webinar today, we have a special for you, Thanksgiving special. Instead of 40% discount, we are giving you 45% discount. Is a one-time payment of $3,300, valid only today, and avail it. And I'm not disclosing the coupon code for this. To get the coupon code, you will have to email us or call us. I will give you the contact details. You email us, call us to get the coupon code. That will perhaps give you an opportunity to discuss with us. We want to make sure that you are the right um, candidate for Sliver Bullet trading system, because we want to make sure that you can uh, learn it and be profitable. Because if you are profitable, it's good for us as well. We want profitable customers. We want those who can learn this important skill and are willing to go the path of achieving financial independence. So it's a one-time fee. You don't have to pay us any more. All future funded accounts, you'll be dealing with the funded account provider. That's only nominal, very nominal monthly subscription. And as you profit, you can add more funded accounts. So what you will get for this price is Sliver Bullet Pro software, the all-inclusive software, and then you will receive training in 4 weekly sessions, and follow that by support. If you have any questions, if you want us to refresh any strategy, you'll be more than welcome. You'll also be able to join our future training, next batch if we start, and if you want to refresh your concept, you are more than welcome to join us. If we upgrade our training, you will get that for free. And Sliver Trades Academy, you will get access to it for 3 months, which which is more than enough. You will be able to watch the recorded videos as well there, and all the cheat sheets and all you can download. So our goal is to make you proficient, give you the understanding of stock market, and this way, we have tried to bring down the cost of the entire program under $5,000. So if you have seen here, in this business trading as a business model, that our goal is to make it under $5,000 one time and show you the path to making $10,000 per month, every month for rest of your life. So even if the cost of the program is $3,300, it leaves you some money to buy a computer if you want to upgrade to a better computer than what you already have. Which is good enough. If whatever computer you have, you should be able to trade. But at some point, once people start making money, they upgrade their computer. So even with that, the cost will be under $5,000. So this is the deal this Thanksgiving, and you will get this software license for lifetime. And this lifetime license, most likely, we are going to take away after this month. We are going to bring subscription model, which will be at the same price. 1 year subscription we will perhaps provide at this price or around this price. So this is a great time for those who want to avail this awesome deal, that you get this software for life, just for $3,300. We might reduce a price a tiny bit, but that will be subscription for only 6 months or 1 year or something like that. So what it means is that to get lifetime license, you might be paying $6,000 in future. So we launched this business in November last year. So last 1 year, we have been promoting this lifetime license, which is likely to go away. And to contact us, you can email us info@slivertrades.com or call us directly at 331-255-3656 to get answers to any of your questions, and also to get coupon code to get 45% discount. So if you have any questions, I would be happy to take. Please feel free to type in your questions and ask. Any questions? Do not see any questions. So this light version, we just brought out a light version. those who are interested only in light version, but with discounts and all, it will still be higher than what we are offering it today at $3,300. And um, so best deal is still what I showed you at 3,300. For market DNA class part, I would request you all to watch one of our previous presentations. I was a bit short of time at today, so usually this webinar goes for hour and a half, and I had only 1 hour of time, so I skipped the DNA market DNA session, a portion of the webinar. But feel free to watch one of our previous webinars to understand this market DNA structure. Okay, with this, I would like to end the presentation, and I will leave the contact details on for some time. Feel free to note down and contact us. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for joining. Have a great weekend. Bye, and happy Thanksgiving.